Shalom Saints, if you are a part of a community or a home assembly within Straitway and interested in submitting a video for Straitway TV, please have your leadership reach out to Michael Israel. Bless you.
We're making avocado chocolate pudding.
Yummy.
Today.
Yummy.
For dinner. I mean after dinner.
What does Ari have over here? What are we doing over here?
Cutting up some oranges, and then we just put them on there with our hands, and then they just can them. I'm gonna pour the juice into the blender. And then I'm gonna put this here. I scoop the salt out, and now I'm gonna pour it in the blender. Just come into the blender. We're back. So I'm gonna add powder. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is put it in here. Gonna get another. It's all filled up. I'm gonna pour it in here.
How many scoops are you doing?
4.
4.
2. Can I cut it? There. Okay, now I open the whole thing. I'm gonna put it on this. The last piece back. Put that there. I'm gonna one cup.
We're going to need 4 of those, and those are half cups. Go ahead and fill it up. You need more. Put some more in there. Yes, ma'am. Good job. Fill her up. Good job.
That's so huge.
It's full. You got to be careful. You got it, Talia. Good job. One. How many more do we need?
2. I mean 3, 4. I mean 3.
3. Good job. You got it. Just be careful. Patience. Good job.
Yeah, I moved my head because I cut both the brand and I can hear them.
Good job, Talia.
Now I need 2 more. Oops.
It's okay. We'll clean it up.
Clean, 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 clean.
Do you like to keep your station clean
Yes.
while you cook?
Yes, because if I get more, I don't want to get dirty.
Good job.
And mix it all up. Put the top on. And try gonna do.
Talia, can you tell me a little bit about your experience making chocolate pudding out of avocados, ma'am?
Good.
Good?
Good.
Ariana, do you have anything to say?
Yes, but I didn't make my arm that messy. If you are part of a community or home assembly within Straitway and interested in submitting a video for Straitway TV, please have your leadership reach out to Michael Israel. We welcome more righteous content.